Fish basically constitute about 40% of the protein feed intake for an average Nigerian, and it was estimated by FAO that an average Nigerian, one Nigerian is supposed to consume 13.3 kg of fish per year. But however, as a Nigerian and the situation we find ourselves, we are not able to meet up to these demands. This is because fish farming in Nigeria is still at a very infant stage, with most of our conventional flow-through farmers, with most of our fish farmers using the conventional flow-through systems in hatching fish. This system relatively have its pros and its cons. Now, some of the cons includes you have to use a lot of water during hatching. You cannot really regulate the physiochemical properties of the water of the system, and lastly, you are not sure of viable and more healthy fingerlings when they are due when they are matured at the fingerling or at the juvenile stage. But our system will be able to handle these parts, because our system with the recirculatory aquaculture system, you will be able to control your physiochemical water parameters, you will be able to get healthy and viable fish seedlings, and you will be able to spend less water. Yes, I understand with you that we already have the recirculatory aquaculture system here in Nigeria, but have you come to think of the prices these systems are available? These systems are very high and expensive because they were imported into Nigeria. Now, our RAS systems were locally made and they are not that expensive. For example, the average RAS system imported of 1 cubic meter is worth about 950,000 naira. Just imagine that sum when you can get it from us, Aquaclose, at just about 450,000. The same, with the same features, the same abilities to do whatever the other ones you're going to buy that are imported, whatever they do. So I think it is better to farm fish innovatively. You don't need to spend so much money to farm fish. I think innovations is what brings about money. So as a fish farmer, it is better. I think I will advise you get our system because it's cheaper and saves cost. This is the prototype of our design. Now here we have our fishes. This is the fish tank. This is the sedimentation tank one, and this is the mechanical filtration system. This is the biological filtration system, and we have a submersible pump here as well, and also an ultraviolet light here. Now the system works like this. The fishes are here, so when they release their feces, the feces goes through the sieve and finds its way to the sedimentation tank. Here you see these brushes here. They are here to do the purification process for us. We call this the mechanical purification tank. Now when this mechanical purification takes place, the dirt are stuck here and the clean water leaves here, the supernatant leaves here and finds its way to the biological filtration. Now when it gets here, we have a lot of bacteria here that help to work on this waste. They convert nitrite which are harmful to nitrate which are not harmful. Now we have a pump, a submersible pump that helps us to pump this water in the biological tank. It leaves through the submersible pump and comes through our UV light that helps us to kill the bacteria. Now after here, it comes back into the system, and that is how the system continues to run for 24 hours, as you can see. So the system is not so complex to operate.